About to board in Toronto, headed to Istanbul. I'm so tired. Honey, you want to say hi? No. Hot in this damn thing. I can feel my breath, like. We are here in Turkey's airport, Istanbul. And yeah, I'm super tired. I practically slept on my whole flight, 9 hours. And I look okay, I guess. The food was trash on the flight. Like, absolutely trash. I'm tired. My back is killing me. We are chilling. And I have like, what was it, 8-hour overlay, whatever you call it. Layover. Overlay, layover, I don't know. I never drink Starbucks like that in Toronto, so you know this is a big deal. Devoured this cake that I got. It was a lemon cheesecake. I like finished that. It was amazing. It was dope. I hate when people watch you when you're holding the camera up to your face. It's like, what do you want me to do? I'm vlogging. This is how I do my stuff. Bio-gel nails are the way to go. So, chilling like a villain.
Lita?
Yes.
Naktas Firi, I think okay hello Banta.
Man, أكتر أنا كهضلونه.
I've been eyeing this up for ages.
هذا horse فيرنا horse. That book must be so good. وهي قبصرته والله. Bulga, the sun out here, so like right in her face, like this. I'm dying. I'm dead. My cousin's actually hilarious. She's super funny.
Yeah. I'm gonna record you vlogging.
Hi, welcome to my channel.
Wait, you have to do that again.
Hello, welcome to my channel. I need 416. Make sure you subscribe. Welcome to the party.
Oh my god.
Please listen, that's it. Over there getting a manicure. We're about to go catch our next flight. And so guess what? I gotta be a transformer right now. This is how I look walking in, okay? Watch when I walk out. Before. After. Guess you're gonna take cool IG photos for me when we get to Africa? What did you say earlier? No, seriously, what did you say earlier?
What do you mean?
You said, what was it again? You said, what is that place?
Somalia?
Yeah, you said Somalia, remember? Say it again.
Somalia?
Yeah, be like, it's Somalia we're going to.
Oh, we're going to Somalia.
Yeah, isn't Somalia in Africa?
Yeah. Out of here.
I got 5 kids on me.
Record this because you are not taking this very well.
Look at the whole fog right now. Look at the whole badia. Fresh off the boat.
When in Rome.
Clearly not in Rome right now.
It's a saying.
I know it's a saying. So I was walking in and the guy wanted to let me walk ahead and I was like, no, it's okay, you can go. And he's like, oh, it's just a red hammer girl. I was like, oh my audacity.
Can we do that again?
Yeah, sure. Yes. So basically, when we're walking inside, to come inside the airplane, there was like people walking in front of us, and they thought that we're trying to get ahead of them. And we're like, no, I'm not trying to get. I'm not trying to get ahead of you. I'm like, no, it's okay. And he's like, oh, it's just like in our language, he said it. Oh, I was like, the audacity. I felt so offended, first off. Second, guess where he's sitting right in front of me. Over there, right over there. They're all looking at me like, yo, this girl. There's another red hammer. I'm like, what? Another red hammer girl? She is. Well, can we watch it? I know, let's watch a movie today. Imagine an airplane where you can talk your own language. I haven't been able to do that. I'm about to talk bare Somali on this plane.
My forehead is so shiny.
It's looking clean. Okay. Yo, imagine like if things actually fixed up back home. Do you know if everybody went on an airplane going back home, do you know how lit it would be? No, do you know how lit? I don't think you guys understand how if everybody went on an airplane together. You know how lit that would be? That would be the littest airplane. Car insurance out here.
Car insurance works sometimes.
Sometimes, you guys, the keyword.
You can make your own insurance.
You can make your own insurance. If I hit you, it's not a problem. If you hit me, it's a problem. That's my car insurance. What good? Time to surprise Xiiso. Assalamu alaikum. Hoya, Anita Waya. Anita. Hoyo. Hoyo. أنا هوايو. واحد بدن هوايو. قبل صومالي واحد مو. Where are we?
Spaghetti house.
And what did we eat?
Spaghetti.
And we had some mango juice and spumuta, and some salad and some fruits. This is the fruits right here. And we're about to go somewhere else. I guess it was someone's birthday here because it says happy birthday. Wow, this is really nice. So right now we're at this cafe spot after we just had dinner.
Lunch.
Okay, lunch, whatever, but and yeah, it's really nice. The weather's really nice. It's really nice. Really, really nice. I'm the captain now. Do you hear me? Huh? I'm the captain now. So we're at, okay, my eyes screwed up. We're at a restaurant called Seafood. And my eye is totally bruised up because it got eaten by mosquitoes. Yeah. Oh, salty. Thank you.
barkeelo xamar bixisada dhacaysiyo ba'an waxa ka soo hara adduunkii balayada ku xasuusta boqorkee baryadii ilaahay wata nuur ku baxaye barkeelo xamar
wata Afrika ugu dheer wabiyada butaaci maani beeraha rugbar waaqo inaan mahay wata Afrika ugu dheer wabiyada butaaci maani beeraha rugbar waaqo inaan mahay وطبيحي كبنتو سيبلا ديمانتي وطبيحي كبنتو سيبلا ديمانتي وطبيحي كبنتو سيبلا ديمانتي وطبيحي كبنتو سيبلا ديمانتي حباك إيفري شعبرك عيو وبركيغا نعيبو وابا أيغو بيبايو بالمدكي دكيغا وقيه دوي كالا يبسرنا وحباك إيفري شعبرك عيو كيغا نعيبو وابا أيغو ديبايو بالمدكي دكيغا وقيه دوي كالا يبسرنا